The greatest battle you will ever fight is not with your competition. It's not with your circumstances. It's not with your boss. And it's not with the world. The greatest battle you will ever fight is the battle within yourself. If you cannot master yourself, then everything else outside of you will master you and will control you. Your emotions will control you. Your habits will control you. Your fears will control you. Other people's opinions will control you. See, the world will constantly pull you in different directions and test your patience in different ways. You will spend your entire life reacting instead of creating. But the moment you learn to master yourself is when you become the most dangerous person in every way. Not in a toxic manner, but in a way that you will master to stabilize yourself and not let any outside things control you. This is because you become unstoppable. You'll find life getting very easier, not because anything else has changed, but you are now a person who doesn't disappear when things get harder. You are the person who doesn't fly off the handle because someone said something. No external force can move you or change or make you so mad and make wrong decisions in life. You will create a discipline that you can be able to control yourself in any situation, and this alone will make you unstoppable. So what happens when you become the person that controls your thoughts, and everyone else is controlled by fear? What if you become the person who kept every promise that you promised yourself? Like the promise may be that you promised yourself of not caring what other people say about you in your life. And then you start doing every business that maybe you promised you would start. Maybe even the content creation that you promised you would start without fearing or what other people may start thinking or judging you in every way. Shame is one of the biggest barriers that has kept most of us from achieving our own goals. It's because we worry about what will people say, how will so-and-so see me, or they will be calling me this. We have a lot of fear for the unknown. But if you still have those dreams that you promised yourself to do something that will change your life, and be consistent and disciplined to yourself, your life can be different completely. And most of the time, we really care because we have people monitoring us. Even when we feel like the world is defeated us, there are those who are waiting to laugh in our face. But the moment we face those fears of not caring of what others will think, that is the moment you'll find everything keeps changing. Even if the progress is very slow, each day, each time, your confidence is built, your skill is improved, together with the mistakes you keep creating or making in your business, in your speech, in your content creating, in any activity you'll be doing. There's something that you learn. There's some mistakes you'll be correcting. There is confidence built. There is everything that you keep making better. And as they go by, everything gets better.